to Autosphere. There's a growing trend around the world that blends travel, comfort, and independence into one seamless lifestyle. And that trend is living on the road in a motorhome. More than just a vehicle, a motorhome is your personal mobile home, crafted for those who crave freedom without compromising luxury. It's not about where you're going anymore. It's about how you get there and what you experience along the way. The exterior of today's motorhomes is built for both strength and style. With aerodynamic bodies, sleek LED lighting, strong fiberglass or aluminum paneling, and premium paint finishes. These vehicles not only perform well on the road, but also turn heads at every stop. Many models include electric awnings, outdoor entertainment systems, and ample storage compartments, making life outside just as enjoyable as inside. Step inside and you're welcomed by a beautifully designed interior that feels more like a boutique apartment than a vehicle. High-quality materials like hardwood floors, genuine leather upholstery, ambient lighting, and custom cabinetry define the living space. The atmosphere is warm, open, and inviting, designed to make long stays comfortable and memorable. The living area is intelligently laid out with a cozy lounge, convertible sofas or recliners, and a large flat-screen TV with surround sound. Whether it's movie night or a rainy afternoon indoors, entertainment is always at your fingertips. Large, panoramic windows bring in natural light and offer stunning views from wherever you're parked. From forests to lakesides or mountains, ranges. A fully functional kitchen makes cooking on the road feel just like home. Most modern motorhomes come with a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection microwave oven, deep sink, and ample countertop space. Built-in cabinets and slide-out pantries offer generous room for food storage, making meal prep easy and enjoyable during long trips. The bedroom space in high-end motorhomes offers true comfort and privacy. Depending on the model, you'll find a queen or king-size bed with a high-quality memory foam mattress, bedside USB ports, individual reading lights, and personal storage cabinets. Some motorhomes even offer slide-out sections to expand the bedroom area further, creating a more spacious retreat. The bathroom is another standout feature. Designed with convenience in mind, it often includes a walk-in shower with glass doors, a flushing toilet, vanity with storage, and even backlit mirrors. In luxury models, you'll find spa-like features such as heated floors, towel warmers, and skylights that make every shower feel like a hotel experience. Modern motorhomes come equipped with cutting-edge technology to make your life easier on the road. Digital control panels, touchscreen interfaces, and mobile apps allow you to manage lighting, water systems, temperature, and power levels with ease. Many also feature GPS navigation, backup cameras, and integrated solar panels to support off-grid living. Driving a motorhome has never been more enjoyable. Thanks to modern chassis engineering and advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, and air suspension, the ride is smooth, safe, and surprisingly easy, even for first-time drivers. For families, couples, or even solo travelers, motorhomes offer unmatched versatility. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a months-long road trip, you're in full control of your destination and your schedule. There's no need for hotel bookings, airport lines, or strict itineraries. Your journey is entirely your own. In the end, owning a motorhome is about choosing a lifestyle filled with exploration, comfort, and freedom. It's about waking up to new views, making memories on the move, and carrying the comforts of home wherever you go. For those with a passion for adventure and a love for the open road, There's nothing quite like the motorhome experience.